If your lips are always dry, no matter how much lip balm you use, you might not be dealing with dryness at all. Welcome back to AJ's EO Infusions, where wellness becomes a simple daily ritual, not another overwhelming routine. I'm Janice, a nurse and the founder behind this space, and I'm here to help you understand your body in a way that feels calm, supportive, and doable in real life. And before we go deeper, just a gentle reminder, this content is for educational and wellness support purposes only. It's not intended to diagnose or treat any medical condition, but simply to help you become more aware of your body and the signals it's already giving you. Now, if you've ever found yourself constantly reapplying lip balm throughout the day, you're not alone. You apply something, it feels better for a moment, and then a few minutes later, your lips feel dry again, so you reapply and reapply and reapply. And eventually you start wondering why isn't anything working? As a nurse, I started noticing something interesting. This pattern wasn't random. There was almost always a moment right before someone reached for lip balm, a pause, a thought, a subtle shift in the body. So in this video, I want to gently show you the moment your lips actually start drying out, and once you notice it, everything begins to make more sense. Because dry lips are usually treated like something is missing, like you just need a better product. But what if it's not about what's missing? What if it's about what your body is doing? Think about the last time you reached for lip balm. Were you scrolling, thinking, maybe feeling a little tension, even if it was subtle? That moment matters more than you think. And even right now, just take a second and notice your lips. Did you press them together? Lick them? Touch them? That's not random. That's awareness. What's happening is your body is trying to regulate itself, and your lips become part of that response. So instead of thinking, I just have dry lips, we start to shift into, my body is signaling something. And, that small shift creates a completely different experience. Because dry lips can actually be one of the first visible signals that your nervous system is activated. Before you consciously feel stress, your body is already responding. And if we only treat the lips, we miss the message. If this is something you've never thought about before, you're not alone. And if you're curious about what your lips might be signaling specifically, I created a simple lip quiz you can take below. It's a really gentle way to start understanding your own patterns a little more clearly. Now, instead of reacting automatically, we create a pause. Not another complicated routine, just a small moment your body can recognize. This is where a simple ritual can start to shift everything. Instead of quickly applying lip balm and moving on, pause, apply slowly, take a breath, let your shoulders drop. You're not just caring for your lips. You're teaching your body a different response. And over time, when the response changes, the cycle starts to soften, not because you found a better product, but because you changed the pattern. If you're ready to move from constantly managing your lips to actually understanding and supporting them, I created something called the lip ritual. It's a simple, calming way to turn this into a daily reset instead of a repeated reaction. You can find that on the page below. And if you're still in that awareness phase, start with the lip quiz. It's the easiest next step. Your lips aren't failing you. They're communicating with you. And the more you learn to listen, the less you'll feel like you have to fix them. I'll see you in the next one.